Welcome back. This is Monday Night Racing. This is the 2020 Club Championship Hot Rods. Let's get into it. First up, after a sensational first win right here at Mount Western Raceway, is the current club champion, Show Me State Scale Auto Racing in the 32 Ford. Will he back it up again tonight to retain the club championship? Stay tuned. And next up, right out of the USA, driving on behalf of NZ Racing Team is Will Collectors. He's driving the Cruise Bruiser. Has he got the power, the guts and the attitude to take on the 32 Ford? Let's find out.
Race 1. In the Cruise Bruiser.
What a great start to the program tonight. Will Collectors gets his first win.
Race 2. Winner! Show Me State Scale Auto Racing in the 32 Ford. That was a big hit.
Show Me State not frightened to power on past the finish line and hit that back wall. Quite amazing. All tied up out of race 2.
Race 3. DNF. Oh, bit of sliding there. Let's go again. Teams back to the start gate, please. Race 4. Winner! It's Show Me State Scale Auto Racing in that 32 Ford. All the Cruise Bruisers not happy.
That's right, it's the 32 Ford all over Mount Western Raceway with a 2-1 out of race 4.
Race 5. Winner! Show Me State Scale Auto Racing in the 32 Ford. Oh, he hit that back wall hard.
He certainly did, and Show Me State in the 32 Ford gets his second win of Mount Western Raceway in the 2020 Club Championship. Will Collectors and the Cruise Bruiser just not on form tonight. And Show Me State is right up the top with Mark D and Toontrack with 2 wins right here on Mount Western Raceway. Let's wrap it up. This is top of race 1 and the 32 Ford goes out hard, goes up high, but he just loses it out of turn 1. This just leaves a gap open for the Cruise Bruiser. He floors it here. Look at the 32 going backwards, it's showing off. Cruise Bruiser all the way in race 1. Crosses the line very slowly, sits up quite high at the front, doesn't he? And just touches that back wall. Race 2, pretty even start down the back. I don't know why the Cruiser crossed over and went high. He lost his momentum there. And the 32 Ford just seizes the opportunity and floors it. Look at him go. Having only raced here once, he's treating Mount Western Raceway like his own backyard. Good on you, mate. Nice driving. Well done, the 32 Ford slams into that back wall. Not sure what's happening with the Cruise Bruiser. Maybe he's having mechanical issues or he just cannot handle Mount Western Raceway. So the 32 Ford comes out hard. The Cruise Bruiser's just trying to keep on his tail. He picks a nice line out of turn 1. Cruise Bruiser's trying to keep up. The 32 Ford just keeps powering ahead. Might need some track maintenance up there, and it's the 32 Ford crosses the line for his second win. Let's head into race 5. Look at this. 32 Ford powering down the back there, goes up high and he just swings out of turn 1. Cruise Bruiser just hasn't got a hope in hell of catching him from here. 32 Ford sets himself up nicely for that second turn. Powering down the straight, crosses the line for his second championship win. Congratulations, Show Me Stakes Scale Auto Racing in the 32 Ford. You retain the 2020 Club Championship with your second win. There he is, holding the cup up high, nice and proud. Congratulations. Next Thursday night racing, MC returns in the mighty Nitro Rider. This is a Zuru Metal Machines hot rod. Thursday night, 5 p.m. Aussie time. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.